Hey y'all, did you know that your hosting service can actually have a negative impact on your Google rank? That's right, I want to show you 5 key features that your hosting service should actually have for you, all included in your hosting plan. Hey y'all, my name is Kori Ashton, and I know it is so easy to just grab that cheap hosting whenever you're registering your domain name. But I'm going to tell you right now that those low-cost, cheapy plans might actually be having a negative impact on your Google rank. I'm going to show you 5 key features that your hosting provider should have for you that the folks at TenWeb want to provide you today. Let's go take a look. All right, first thing is first, you've got to have speed. If your website is slow, Google is not gonna like it because users aren't gonna like it. So one of the best things that TenWeb offers us is the 90+ page speed. Every single plan that they offer for their hosting service is going to guarantee that you're going to have this 90+ page speed score. It's fully automated. It's an optimization solution they put in place that optimizes your images, optimizes your files. It's going to boost your page speed all the way around. So if you've gone over and you've tested your website and you're failing your page speed, I want you to check out a better hosting solution like TenWeb to get you to those better, higher, faster scores. They also provide you with advanced caching. This is so important. That's again another thing that's going to help your website run faster. They'll also have space in place in case you get extra traffic to your website. If you have a big boost that hits your website, a lot of times if you're on a low cost or a cheap hosting plan, you very likely will see your whole website break. People will not be able to view your website. People will not be able to buy from your website. So it's important that you have a hosting plan that can scale with you when you have those traffic spikes. And one other key feature that they give you inside of their hosting plan are these data centers. You might have heard of it called a CDN or Content Delivery Network. This is so important to help, again, your data load really quickly no matter where your customers are coming in from, whether it's across the state, across the country, or around the world. Speed matters. And the team over at TenWeb can make it happen for you. The second thing we're going to be looking for is security. It is so important that your website has security, but that added security should actually be included in your hosting plan, not an extra annual fee. So be certain that your hosting plan provides that, just like the folks at TenWeb. They offer top-notch security for your websites, including malware removal, top-notch brute force mitigation, constant monitoring. They have a 99% uptime guarantee, and they give you that SSL, so you don't have to pay that extra fee to have that little lock show up on your browser. You guys, if your web hosting company charges you extra for these features, I need you to know that you have options to get these features included in your hosting plan. Another key feature that you have to be looking for with your hosting provider is backups. Do they give you access to backups and restoration? So let's say you have an uh-oh moment. How do you get to your files to roll back your website to its original version or to a version from yesterday even? Well, over here at TenWeb, they include automated real-time backups. That's right, real-time backups, daily, weekly, or monthly. It's going to automatically do it for you. This is so important for you to have. The other key thing is you don't want to be charged to restore your website back to a previous version. And when you have access like this through TenWeb's hosting, you get full control. Now, this one might not come to mind whenever you're thinking about a hosting plan, but for those of us that are trying to improve our websites, maybe we're working on things and we want to try out a new plugin or try out a different style of a theme, you want to have a staging area, somewhere that you can go tinker and play without ever having to affect the front side of your website until you're ready. Over here at TenWeb, they're giving you a staging environment. You can easily test new WordPress versions, plugins, and code with your staging website. And then when you're ready to go live, it's just one click of a button and it pushes the whole website live for you. It's so much easier and a much more safe route to go whenever you're trying to improve your website. There are other hosting companies out there that are going to charge you for that feature. This feature is included in your plan. And lastly, one of the most important things you have to have inside of your hosting plan is support. You don't want to hear somebody say to you, oh, that's a WordPress problem. We can't help you with that. You guys, 10Web has incredible reviews. Look at this right here. Look at this trust score, 4.9. It's just amazing how many people love the support and the products of this company. 24/7 live chat support. That's because they offer high-touch customer service. It's not just a department. It's actually people who care and love and want to help you. You're going to have fast response time, typically within 1 to 2 minutes, so you don't have to wait. You can get in there and start talking to them right away. They have 24/7 live chat, just like I mentioned a minute ago, 365 days a year, by the way. They also have a help center that you can kind of dig through articles and guides and how-to resources. And they have a dedicated Slack channel that you can go get access to, get in there and start asking your technical questions. Anything that you're struggling with, they've got a solution for you. And they're not going to be scared if it's a WordPress question. Hey, so you can also move over to 10Web with their one-click migration tool. So don't panic about, well, how do I get over there? Click the link below, go reach out to them, jump on live chat, ask them questions. They will absolutely help get you over there. And there's no credit card required to get started. 30-day money-back guarantee. Get over there, let them know that Kori Ashton sent you their way. I'll see you next time, y'all. Bye.